Thank you, Active, for sending these items to check out. And we are looking at the Swedish Dish Cloths, and I was excited to try them out because, as someone who goes through a lot of paper towels, hand towels, sponges, you know, the towels themselves um, have many versatile uses. And at first, I was just a little confused because I didn't really know too much about them, and they had this really thick kind of cardboard feel to them, but it has dual purposes. When it's dry, it can be used for scrubbing, scouring. In when it becomes wet, it becomes very absorbent, and the towel changes into a very soft, spongy type feel to it. And we are going to be cleaning this very rundown coffee maker and making it look like new again. And since they're made with the mix of cellulose and cotton, it makes them very absorbent and durable, and it doesn't hold on to the smell like a hand towel would, and it doesn't get as grimy and hold bacteria like a sponge. And then again, you can just throw it into the washing machine or even in the dishwasher, or just hand wash the towel itself. They can last for months. And this has been Active Swedish Dish Cloths.